Your tankless water heater isn't just a trap. It's part of a much bigger downgrade 3 companies quietly engineered across 88% of every unit sold in America. And what plumbers actually install in their own homes tells you everything. There was a time when a water heater wasn't just another appliance. People installed a tank, forgot about it, and 25 years later, it was still quietly doing its job. Old-timers remember steel tanks from the 1980s and 90s that ran for 2 decades or more, sometimes outlasting the roof over their heads. These weren't rare flukes. Trade association records and contractor logs show that tanks lasting 20 to 25 years were common, not the exception. Compare that to today. The average tank water heater gives out after just 8 to 12 years. That's not a guess. It's stamped right in the warranty paperwork and confirmed by surveys from the biggest manufacturers. When a tank fails now, you're looking at a replacement bill of $1,500 to $1,900, sometimes even higher in big cities. What used to be a once-in-a-generation expense has become a regular gut punch for homeowners. The numbers don't lie. The question is, how did we get here? Walk into any big box store, and the shelves look packed with options. Rude, Richmond, State, Reliance. But nearly 9 out of 10 water heaters in America come from just 3 companies: Rheem, A.O. Smith, and Bradford White. That 88% market share isn't a coincidence. It's the result of years of buyouts, rebadging, and quiet deals that leave homeowners thinking they have real choice. Rheem owns both Rude and Richmond, slapping different stickers on the same guts for different stores. A.O. Smith churns out State and Reliance, with one line for contractors and another for retail. Even Bach, once a holdout, got swallowed up by Bradford White in 2025. The illusion of variety lets these giants control pricing, cut corners, and push whatever hardware suits their bottom line. Linda Chen, who spent a decade on the inside, puts it bluntly: if you're buying from a big box, you're picking from the same handful of tanks with different paint. That's how consolidation sets the stage for the downgrades hidden in plain sight. Pick up a big box water heater and you can feel the shortcuts. A 50-gallon tank from the hardware store often weighs 5 pounds less than the same model sold to plumbers. That missing weight isn't magic. It's thinner steel, plastic drain valves instead of brass, and stripped-down linings inside the tank. Manufacturer's spec sheets show up to $120 in cheaper materials per unit. That's how they hit the shelf price, but it's the homeowner who pays later. Warranties tell the real story. Contractor-grade tanks come with 10-year or even 15-year coverage, while the retail versions usually top out at 6. The odds of that big box heater failing before the decade's up? 3 times higher, according to service call data. The sticker might promise a deal, but what's really on sale is a shortcut, one that quietly shifts the risk and the bill onto your shoulders. Tankless water heaters get sold as the sleek, high-tech answer to old tanks. No more big metal drum, just endless hot water and lower bills. But the real cost is buried in the fine print. 85% of American homes have hard water, and that spells trouble for these so-called maintenance-free wonders. Every year, mineral buildup chokes the heat exchanger, so manufacturers require annual descaling at $150 to $250 a pop. Skip it, and not only does efficiency tank, but the warranty goes out the window. The manuals spell it out. No proof of professional service, no coverage. If the heat exchanger fails, and it often does after a few missed flushes, the bill runs $500 to $900 for parts alone, plus labor. All those claims about 20-year lifespans? They only count if you treat the thing like a Swiss watch, with receipts to prove it. For most folks, the tankless upgrade turns into a yearly maintenance contract and a stack of denied warranty claims. Lifetime warranty sounds like a promise, but the fine print tells a different story. Take Delta's faucet coverage, one drip, and they'll call it normal wear, leaving you with a denial letter and a leaky fixture. Most big brands quietly void warranties if you sell your house. And electronics, inside smart faucets or heaters top out at 5 years, no matter what the box says. Then there's the Honeywell gas valve, found in millions of tanks. Plumbers see the dreaded E5 error so often, it's become a running joke, $80 for a replacement. But failure rates stay the same whether it's year 5 or 10. All that paperwork and warranty language, it's designed to sound reassuring. But when the parts fail, you're on your own. Ask any plumber what they put in their own house, and you'll hear the same names again and again. Bradford white for tanks, Contractor only, tougher linings, and real brass parts. For Tankless, pros trust Rinnai or Navien. Both have local parts and can handle hard water if you keep up with service. Moen faucets make the cut for one reason: a 5-minute cartridge swap at any hardware store. Skip anything with smart controls or Wi-Fi. Budget for $200 a year in upkeep if you go tankless. The forever list is simple. Buy what plumbers buy, from supply houses, not the big box aisle. Today, the sticker price hides the real bill. Shorter lifespans, surprise repairs, weak warranties. Don't trust glossy promises. Trust what plumbers put in their own homes. Demand better. What's in your basement?